So, good day everyone again. So, now we're going to solve about evaluate the integral of 7 over 3 y raised to 6 plus 1 over y raised to 10 minus 2 all over the cube root of y raised to 4 dy. So, first we need to rewrite the integral. So, the integral of 7 over 3y raised to 6 plus 1 all over y raised to 10 minus 2 all over the cube root of y raised to 4. Differential. So, after that, we need to rewrite the terms using the negative exponent. Also, kasi nga ito, itatranspose natin siya sa taas. So, magiging ganito na siya. Equal siya dito. The integral of del 7 over 3 tapos 3y raised to 6, so magiging ganito na siya. 7 over 3, lalagay lang natin yung exponent y. Dahil 6 siya sa baba, ibig sabihin pag transpose natin siya sa taas, magiging negative sign na siya. Then plus 1 or y. Pwedeng 1y or y. So 1y na lang. 1y negative 10 minus 2y dahil 4 siya, ibig sabihin 4 over 3 negative sign yun siya, and dy. So after nyan, using the power rule of integration, which is after nyan meron tayong power of integration, power rule of integration which is integral of xn dx is equal siya kay xn plus 1 all over n plus 1. So, which means magiging ganito na siya. May plus c pa pala ito. Plus c, which is c is the constant of integration. So, after nyan, magiging ganito na siya, no? Equals dito. So, ibig sabihin, the integral of inahay mo natin itong sa pinakang harap, which is 7 over 3 y negative 6 dy is equal siya. Ito muna ito yung first, second, and third. So, first ito ay magiging, dahil nga dito, magiging ganito siya. 7 over 3 multiply by y, negative 6 plus 1, so magiging negative 5 all over negative 6 plus 1, so magiging negative 5. Saan napunta yun? Kasi nga yung n natin is negative 6, then magpa plus 1 lang na tayo. So, combine like terms, magiging negative 5. Same din dito. So, plus constant 1. So, we can get the final answer dito na 7 over 5 times 3. So, negative sign. 15, then y negative 5 plus c1. Then, the second naman, ito yung first. Then, we have a second. Second natin is integral of y negative 10 dy. So, magiging ganito siya. Y negative 9. Bakit naging negative 9? Because of that again. All over 9. Negative 9. So, plus, dahil C1, constant 1 yung ginamit, ito ay constant 2 na siya. So, magiging final answer natin is 1 all over 9 y negative 9 plus c2. Then, lastly, our third term. So, we can get dito is negative 2y negative 4 over 3 dy is equal to, this magiging negative 2, tapos ito magpa-plus 1 tayo dito, or i-rewrite na lang natin dito. Sige, i-rewrite na lang natin. Y negative 4 over 3 plus 1. Ang plus 1, because ang denominator natin is 3, is magiging 3 over 3 na siya. All over, ito is negative 4 over 3 plus 1, 3 over 3 equal siya kay 1. So, magiging answer dito is negative 2y magiging negative 1 over 3 na siya. All over negative 1 over 3 plus C3 plus constant term t. So, dito magiging answer na natin dahil dito, multiply natin dito kay 2. Kasi nga, yan, magiging 6 na siya. 6y, kasi nga negative times negative is positive. Then, copy lang natin to 1 over 3 over 1, o simplify ganyan na lang siya, plus C3. So, after that, we need to combine the result. So, i-combine na natin yung result, no? Combine the result. So, in combining the result, so, ko-combine na natin sila lahat. So, magiging ganito na siya. Negative 7 over 15y raised to negative 5. So, i-add ko lang din, no, yung ating mga itong C1, C2, and C3 is equal lang siya kay C. Constant 1, 1, constant 2, and constant 3 is equal lang siya kay C. So, magiging ganito na siya. So, magiging i-plus na lang natin yan siya. Plus sign ba? No. It's negative sign minus minus, answer dito is, oops, nagkamali, 1 over 9 y negative 9 plus, answer natin sa third term is 6y negative 1 over 3 plus c. So, pag ganito na yung answer natin, isi-simplify natin siya. We need to rewrite the expression to positive exponent. Optional lang naman to, pero mas better na gagawin natin to para mapatulad natin sa natin sa given equation natin dito. So, kung i-rewrite natin siya, isi-simplify natin siya. Simplify. So, magiging negative 7 over 15, dahil y negative 5, magiging y dito na siya sa baba, minus 1 all over 9, negative din siya, so y negative 9 plus 6, dahil negative yung natin exponent, negative 1 all over 3, so cube root siya. Kung 1/2 niya siya, di square, then dahil cube, siya, 1/3 siya, is cube root siya. Yung denominator niya is 3 to square root of y plus c. So, therefore, this is our answer. And I hope you learned. Thank you.